Alright, on this video I'm going to be making the F sound, and in the first example, when I'm zooming in from the front, I should actually be saying the letter F. So my model is going to be saying the letter F. The important thing to remember when you're making the F sound for words such as father and factory is just before you make the F sound, the lower lip is touching the upper teeth, and that's how you make the F sound. Okay. F. F. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you need to make any comments, please make a comment.